everyone, it's Josette van den Burgt here, and today I'll be showing you how to assemble the new Parrot die sets. So this is the die set here. This is his face, the body, his little belly, legs, feet, his tail, the wings, and these are his eyes, and then his spiky hair at the top. And here you can see the parrot already assembled. So for the parrot, I cut all the pieces from white soft finished cardstock already. Some I already colored, and then I'm using the Twisted Citron and the Mode Lawn Distress ink for his body, and the carved pumpkin for the nose and his legs. Colored those already. So first I'm going to start with his head. So just use circular motions. I'm using the Twisted Citron. It's easy if you work on a craft mat, or if you have some leftover backing of the Elizabeth Craft Designs adhesive. It's always handy to save that, and then you can work on that. So I colored it with a Twisted Citron, and then with the Mode Lawn, I just do the top of his head, just to have a bit of darker at the top and around his eyes. The hair I do with Twisted Citron as well. And then for his body I use just the Mode Lawn, but it's up to you. You can kind of mix and match the colors. This is how I did it. And then his little part of the belly I do Twisted Citron again. There you go. I already colored his wings. Same thing, with a bit of darker around the edges, and then his tail, and then his two little legs. This is the part for his beak, so I'm just going to use the one that I already colored, so it's dry. I die cut his eyes from white soft finished cardstock with adhesive on the back, so I can add those first, and then I marked his eyes. There's an embossing for his eyes. I used a fine black marker. His eyes just go on the side here. You can kind of see where his head is a bit like where his eyes need to be. And his beak, so the pointy one goes on top of the oval circle piece, and it just goes in the middle here. And I'm using a bit of Kids Choice glue for the rest. So his hair. Oh. The wings. You can kind of play around with his legs. They can be up in the air, sideways. I have a funny one that I'd like to show. This one, kind of like a dancing parrot. So it's really fun. You can kind of play around how you like to have him positioned. So there you go. Oh, isn't he cute? And he's so fun to dress up, the parrot. Like here I used the birthday accessories. So fun happy birthday cards. And this is a card I made as well for a graduation with a new accessory set as well, the head's accessory. It's got the head in there and then his diploma. So thank you so much for watching. I've suggested a couple of videos that I think you will enjoy as well. And don't forget to download the free product sheet. See you next time.